In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vendor refund in your accounting software. This is a quick and efficient way to keep your business finances organized, and I promise it's simpler than you might think. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's open your accounting software dashboard. Once you're there, look for the plus new button. This button is usually found in the upper left or right corner, depending on the layout of your software. Clicking on this opens a menu with various options for creating new entries within your accounts. From the menu, you'll see an option labeled either expense or vendor credit. Selecting one of these will depend on what your specific software calls it, but both options are essentially leading us to the same destination, documenting the transaction where your vendor has refunded you. In many cases, a vendor credit acts much like a refunded expense, so don't worry too much about this detail. Once you've chosen the correct option, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll fill in the necessary details about this refund. It's important to select the correct refund category, as this organizes your records and ensures everything aligns at tax time. You'll typically find a drop-down menu or a selection box indicating the different categories you have available. Choose the one that accurately describes the nature of your refund. For example, if this refund is related to office supplies, be sure to select the category that reflects this. Selecting the appropriate category not only helps in keeping your records tidy, but also aids in generating accurate financial reports. After you've selected the category, it's a good idea to double check all the information you've entered. This means looking over details like the vendor's name, the date of the transaction, and any relevant notes that might help you recall this transaction in the future. Taking a few moments here can save you potential headaches down the line, especially during reconciliation or when preparing financial statements. When you're satisfied that everything is correct and complete, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button. Again, its placement may vary depending on the software, but it's generally easy to spot. Clicking this not only saves your entry, but often also updates your accounts automatically, a key step in maintaining accuracy and up-to-date records. Concluding this process means you've successfully logged a vendor refund, keeping your records accurate and ensuring your books properly reflect this transaction. Keeping on top of these details helps maintain the financial health of your business and facilitates easier tracking of expenses and income over time. Thank you for following along today, and remember, staying organized with your accounting can make